Hi, today I'm going to be showing off the current system I have here, and I'm going to be uploading this video both just to show off my tower and also because I'll be posting this video on Craigslist probably. First off, I'm going to show you the side panel I took off. It has the nice sound dampening foam. This goes to the NZXT H2 case you see there. If I turn the computer on, which I'm sure is helpful, the ports are up top. There's one USB 3.0 port, which is backwards compatible with USB 2.0. There are three USB 2.0 ports. There's a fan controller, which controls the speed of the fans, of course. Headphone, microphone jack. Here's a nice feature. It's actually a hard drive dock, external hard drive dock. And as you can see, you just take any old internal hard drive from your laptop or from a desktop. You plug it in there. It has vibration dampening and everything. Also up top, you've got this magnetic cover for the top vent slash fan back here, which is convenient. Definitely dampens the sound as well. NZXT included this nice door with H2. As you can see, the fans are all going at their very loudest right now, and it's extremely quiet with all the sound dampening panels on. So, you know, obviously there's the DVD drive. Very snazzy. I'm sure none of you have seen that before. The case also has this nifty feature of these two front fans being hot swappable and removable. Got the hard drive trays behind the front fan. Snap it in and it gets going again. At the bottom of the door there's the power LED, and up at the top there's the hard drive activity LED. You might not be able to notice through my camera's mic, but this computer is also very silent. Moving on to the interesting part, the inside. There's a couple noticeable parts in there. Two water cooling tubes, and then there's the giant heat pipes of the GTX 480 down below. And some of you might have even noticed the Corsair DOMINATOR sitting there. It's a new build I did with a Antec KÜHLER 620 water cooler, which keeps it nice and cool. It's got intake and outtake fans. So push-pull, which keeps the radiator nice and cool. GTX 480, which is just hulking in this normal size case. And it's running quite cool, about 50 degrees Celsius, which is very cool for GTX 480. Right smack dab in the middle, you can see that EVGA X58 FTW3, so quite a good heatsink in the middle there. Down here at the bottom is another noteworthy part. It's the Seasonic 850 HT silent power supply. Not silent, but it's supposed to be very quiet. And it has very good ratings. If you look at most power supplies, they combine these two ratings, but just the 12 volt ratings is 840 watts, a total of a whopping 80 amps, and 150 watts over here, so that totals to 990 watts. A very powerful 850 watt. The 850 HT is also certified 80 plus silver, which means both that it's extremely efficient and that it's good build quality. You really don't get crappy power supplies with that good power ratings. Quick note, I love the onboard audio because I love the way you can configure the Realtek. I have frontline audio on my two bookshelves, and I've got frontline audio on my bass shaker on my chair. Here's a bit of a crisis benchmark tool, which is known to a lot of people as being kind of chunky and irritatingly slow, but it runs like a breeze on the GTX 480 and Core i7 960. As you can see, even maxed out at 1080p, it's almost overwhelmingly fast on the Crisis Benchmark tool. Something you don't always see, and something that would have cost you upwards of $1,000 of spending just on video cards to get a year or two ago. Fans do speed up a little bit. They're very quiet when the side panel's on. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it aided you in any decisions or questions you might have had. Feel free to subscribe if you're interested in computer hardware, or maybe you want some down-to-earth opinions on peripherals and that sort of thing. Really appreciate it. Thank you.